First of all, very good evening to all of you. My name is Veerjan and today I am initiating a topic that is Navratri. Navratri is a very important Hindu festival and the famous festival in India. It is celebrated to honor the victory of goddess Durga over the demon Mahishasur. This festival represents the victory of good over the evil. And this is a 9 days festival because to worship on the 9 form of goddess Durga. People celebrate this festival with fun and joy. By enjoy the nights by dancing on a darba or dandiya. Some people also have fast. That's all. I am initiating Harshit.
So, hello everyone, I am Harshit and today I am telling about the topic Navratri. So, as we told that it is a 9 day festival and it is celebrated to honor the Lourdes Durga. And because the war between Lord Durga and Mahishasur took 9 days, so that's why we celebrate Navratri for 9 days and for 9 nights. People celebrate these days with great enthusiasm and great zeal because on these days people show their skills if someone knows dance and singing, so they perform on the stage and to encourage the people to learn about the Hindu to learn about the Hindus. And the best place for enjoying more is Kolkata and Gujarat, because there are some special pujas and some special Mata's idol is uh, is placed. So I think that if you are a foreigner and you are coming on these days, so the best place is Bengal or Gujarat. So next I am inviting Naitik Agrawal.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. I am Natik Gurwal and I am discussing our topic Navratri. And Navratri is one of the most famous Hindu festival of India. And it is a Gujarati festival, and this festival is celebrated in 9 days. And there are 9 forming goddess Durga, and people worship the goddess Durga in 9 days. And some people have fast for 9 days. And people celebrate the nights by Garba on Dandiya. And there are 9 forming. That's what my topic. And I am inviting Krishna.
Good evening, everyone. I am Krishna. I am presenting a topic of Navratri. So let's start. Navratri is a famous Hindu festival in India, and the Navratri Durga is representing the powerful energies of the Navratris and the most powerful energies of Durga. It is celebrated in 9 days festival. It is we worship of 9 powers of Durga. Eh, eh, that's all about my topic. Next, I am inviting Manas.
So first of all, very good evening to all of you. I am gonna to present a topic that is Navratri. So I know about the 7th day of the Navratri, that day is of Mahakalakati. So I am speaking some few points about the Navratri. So let's start. So Mahakalakati is a fierce form of the uh, goddess Durga, and uh, she referred to the power and courage and strength. And I am telling the key aspects of the Mahakalakati. So Mahakalakati significance there, and the second is the second is and so I am telling so, so, so I am telling about so now I am telling about Navratri. So let's start. So Navratri is a 9-day Hindu festival and it's celebrated in Gujarat with very great enthusiasm and in a very good manner. And in Gujarat, the Garba and Dandiya are also performed. And next I am inviting Honey. Good afternoon to all of you. I am Ani. I am presenting a topic Navratri. Navratri is the most famous festival of India and Navratri is a Hindu festival. There are 9 forms in Navratri and we worship to 9 forms in Navratri in Durga Mata. We are celebrating the Navratri in September and Navratri is the longest festival and Gujarat and that's all. I am inviting Kritika Didi.
So, and very auspicious good evening to present all over here. This is Kritika. I want to present the topic Navratri. Navratri is an annual Hindu festival observed in honor of the goddess Durga and except of Parashakti, the supreme goddess. It is spent over 9 nights, first in the month of Chaitra and second in the month of Ashwin. Celebration and tradition vary across different regions and communities in India. There are 9 types of goddess. Shailputri, Brahmacharni, Chandraghanta, Kushmanda, Skanda, Kalyatri, Katyayani, Kalratri, Mahagauri, Siddhidatri. Women wear Ghangra, Chori and Dandiya night. People celebrate this day with happiness. Next I am inviting Vanshika.
Navratri, India. Navratri is a Hindu festival and we are celebrating 2 times in year and we worship goddess Durga and it is different types of celebrating in India and on the 10th day of Dashera. That's all. Next I am inviting Chanchal.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Chanchal Yavath and I am presenting the topic Navratri. Navratri means 9 nights and it is a Hindu festival honoring goddess Durga in which 9 avatars of goddess Durga are worshipped and the name of the 9 avatars of goddess Durga: Shailputri, Brahmacharni, Chandraghanta, Kusmanda, Skanda Mata, Katyayani, Kalratri, Mahagauri, Siddhidatri. And it is symbolized the victory of good over evil. And it is celebrated with great enthusiasm all over India. Thank you, Darsal. And I am inviting the Vansika.
Today I am presenting a topic on Navratri. Navratri is the one of most important Hindu festival of India. Navratri is Sanskritic words in which Nav means 9 and Ratri means night. This from also called Navdurga. The last day of this festival is celebrated Vijayadashmi and Dasara. Thank you. That's all. Next I am